There's been a lot of debate in the last Congress that was stopped finally, but some of us are concerned that it's not over, about whether the IRS should have the authority to get into people's bank accounts if they make over $600 a year or spend over $600 a year. And then some said, well, we'll make that $10,000 a year as the target point, or $10,000 a year spending, or depositing. There's a lot of concern about the intent at the IRS to move forward with some plan. We've stopped it here legislatively in the battles in Congress last year. I want to know whether there are any intentions at the IRS or any intention on your part to regulatorily seek to expand the ability of the IRS to literally invade and look into the bank accounts of Americans simply because they have deposited more than $600 or $10,000 or whatever number into their account.
Senator, I'll go back to my background. I'm a rule follower, and I would only take actions that are consistent with what the IRS authorities are under the law. But I'll also say this. I think about effective tax administration as requiring a bunch of different factors, reducing paperwork burden on the public, but also avoiding unnecessary intrusion. So if we're going to take a step, I'm going to want to make sure this committee is comfortable that A, we've taken that step consistent with what our parameters are in the law, and B, that we've made the right balancing decision that this is the right step to do in the interest of the taxpayer and balances the importance of not invoking unnecessary intrusion. And my commitment is to hold to these factors and work with you collaboratively to make sure we balance them effectively.
Well, I would hope that you wouldn't seek any plan like I just described, which I think is a violation of the privacy of our American citizens, unless Congress directed it.